As we get older, our brain, just like the rest of our body, needs extra care. You might have noticed moments where you walk into a room and forget why. Or you're searching for a name that's right on the tip of your tongue. It's normal. But here's the good news: there are simple, natural ways to nourish and support your memory every single day. And it starts right in your kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make a powerful, memory-boosting smoothie specially designed for older adults, packed with ingredients backed by science, and easy on digestion. No fancy powders, just real foods your brain will love. And we'll also talk about a few common foods that quietly damage your memory and slow you down, foods that sneak into your diet but can be replaced with better choices. Narrator: our brains change as we age. Blood flow can decrease, inflammation can rise, and cells that once fired quickly may begin to slow down. According to a study published in Neurology, even healthy older adults can experience memory decline due to reduced hippocampal volume. That's the part of your brain responsible for forming memories. But here's the powerful part: lifestyle and nutrition can make a huge difference. Just like you might oil a creaky door hinge or water a wilting plant, your brain thrives when it's fed the right nutrients, especially antioxidants, omega-3 south, healthy fats, and certain vitamins. What to avoid? Foods that secretly hurt your memory. Narrator: before we blend our smoothie, let's quickly talk about a few things that might be holding your brain back without you even realizing it. 1. Processed sugars. These show up in cereals, snack bars, fruit juices, and yes, even low-fat yogurt. They spike your blood sugar, increase brain inflammation, and can damage your memory over time. 2. Refined carbs like white bread and pasta. These act just like sugar in your body. Studies have linked high-carb diets with faster cognitive decline. 3. Too much salt and processed foods. Canned soups, frozen dinners, and salty snacks can increase blood pressure and restrict blood flow to the brain. 4. Artificial sweeteners. Found in diet sodas and sugar-free treats, certain sweeteners like aspartame have been linked to mood swings and memory issues in older adults. The good news: you don't have to give up everything. You just need to replace the bad with the better. And that's what this smoothie is all about. Introducing the memory-boosting smoothie. Narrator: this smoothie recipe isn't just tasty, it's like a natural multivitamin for your brain. It contains 7 superstar ingredients known to improve focus, recall, and brain cell health. And best of all, it takes under 5 minutes to make. Let's break down each ingredient and what it does for your mind. Ingredient number 1. Blueberries. Narrator: blueberries are sometimes called brainberries for a reason. They're packed with anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that crosses the blood-brain barrier and fights memory loss. A Harvard study found that people who ate more berries had slower rates of cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years. You can use fresh or frozen blueberries, both are excellent. Ingredient number 2. Spinach or kale. Narrator: leafy greens like spinach or kale are rich in vitamin K, folate, lutein, and beta-carotene, nutrients that have been shown to protect the brain from aging. A long-term study from Rush University Medical Center found that seniors who ate 1 serving of leafy greens a day had the memory of someone 11 years younger. Don't worry, you won't even taste the greens in the smoothie. Ingredient number 3. Avocado. Narrator: avocados are full of monounsaturated fats, which support healthy blood flow to the brain. They also contain lutein, which improves brain processing speed. Yes, even in older adults, 1/4 of an avocado is plenty. It adds creaminess and good fats without overpowering the taste. Ingredient number 4. Unsweetened coconut milk or almond milk. Narrator: let's talk about your base. Instead of using dairy or sugary fruit juices, we'll go with something gentler on your digestion: unsweetened coconut milk or almond milk. Both are rich in healthy fats and low in sugar, which helps keep your blood sugar stable, a key to maintaining clear thinking and sharp memory. Plus, they add a nice smooth texture that makes the smoothie creamy and delicious. Ingredient number 5. Walnuts or chia seeds. Narrator: next up, walnuts or chia seeds. These are powerhouses of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid. Why does that matter? Because omega-3 south help reduce inflammation in the brain and improve communication between brain cells. Walnuts even look like a brain. Nature's hint at their benefits. Just a small handful or a tablespoon of chia seeds is enough. Ingredient number 6. banana or mango optional sweetness. Narrator, if you like your smoothies a little sweeter, add half a banana or a few chunks of mango. Both provide natural sweetness, potassium, and vitamin B6, which helps your brain produce dopamine and serotonin feel-good brain chemicals that also aid memory and focus. Just remember, a little goes a long way. We want flavor, not a sugar spike. Ingredient number 7. Turmeric plus black pepper brain anti-inflammatory duo. Narrator, finally, let's sprinkle in something extra powerful. Turmeric about 1/2 teaspoon. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to reduce brain inflammation and improve memory. But here's the trick, it needs a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb it. This golden spice combo has been used for centuries and now modern science confirms what ancient cultures knew all along. Putting it all together. Narrator, alright, let's bring it all together. Here's your memory-boosting smoothie recipe for seniors. On screen, ingredients appear visually, one by one. 1/2 cup blueberries fresh or frozen. 1 handful spinach or kale. 1/4 avocado. 1 cup unsweetened coconut or almond milk. 1 tablespoon walnuts or chia seeds. 1/2 banana or 1/4 cup mango optional. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric plus pinch of black pepper. Narrator, blend until smooth and enjoy. You can drink this in the morning, as a midday snack, or even alongside a light lunch. It's not just a treat, it's brain nourishment in a glass. Bonus tips for best results. Narrator, now before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to make the most of this smoothie. Use frozen berries if you want a colder, creamier texture, no ice needed. Drink it slowly. Let your body absorb the nutrients while you relax, maybe out on your porch or after your morning walk. Stay consistent. One smoothie won't change everything overnight, but enjoying it a few times a week. That's where the real magic happens. Bringing high tea home. Narrator, your brain is one of your most precious organs. And it's never too late to start caring for it with the right foods, the right habits, and a little daily love. This smoothie is a small step with big rewards, and your mind, your memory, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more senior wellness tips, and share this with someone you care about. We've got more easy recipes and natural health tips coming your way every week.